Are you looking for that easy, simple, but perfect spring roll recipe? Oh my goodness, I got you. If today is the first time here, my name is Lena and welcome to my kitchen. Yes, please do not forget to follow or subscribe for more videos. It is free, okay? So I brought you how to make the spring roll wrappers not long ago, but in case you are coming across my video for the very first time, I'm just going to let you through again, but please do not forget to watch the detailed video, okay, on this channel or wherever you are watching me from. Okay, thank you so much. So I have 4 cups of all-purpose flour. I added a teaspoon of salt and I've mixed it very well. So I'm just going to add 3 cups of water to that and then mix it very well until it becomes uniform. So if you're watching me for the very first time, we are on all social media platforms at Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. So please do not forget to follow me there. I'll be very, very happy if you do so. Thank you so much. And if you want short videos, please follow me on TikTok and Instagram at Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. So after I'm done mixing everything, I'm just going to put this in my fridge so that everything can come together and can look nice. As you can see, it looks a bit watery, okay? So I'm just going to put it in the fridge. So after 10 minutes, you can see that it has come together perfectly and it looks sticky. This is what I want. Now I am just going to start with the wrappers, okay? We are going to make the spring roll wraps and trust me, you will love it. Now I have my pan on fire, which is not very hot, okay? The fire should be very low, it shouldn't be on medium heat, but it should be very low. Then you just do it the way I am doing it. There is another way you can do it, which I've been seeing on social media, like that you make the paste in a liquid form, okay, the mixture in a liquid form, but I have tried that once and it did not work for me. So to summarize everything, I love or I prefer making my wrappers this way. But if you want to go by making it liquid, you can go ahead and do it. You may do it better than me, okay? Maybe you will prefer that than this one. So I have summarized everything for you. Now I am going to make the last one so that we can continue. Please do not miss the next video because we are not going to summarize it again. That is just by the way. That's just by the way, okay? So I'm just going to remove it. I realized that if I remove it from that place, it is not going to help. So I'll just remove it from this side and then remove everything. Perfect. Now we are done with the wrappers. So I have summarized everything. I have my grapes oil, okay, grapeseed oil. I've added my homemade marinade. That is my green marinade. I have the recipe at where you are watching me from. Please watch it and you will love it. Now I've added my carrots. I've added some cabbage. I added some onions. And I think that is all, okay? I'll put it on fire on a very lower heat so that it can become a bit soft. We are not overcooking it, okay? Now I've added my seasoning to it and I'll go ahead and mix it. I will say that this is just, it has been on the fire for just a minute, okay? Yes, we are not overcooking it. Now after a minute, I'll go ahead and add my scallions or spring onions or green onions, anyhow you will call it. Let it be on fire for some few seconds and then it is ready. We are not overcooking it because when we fry it, it will cook inside the spring roll. Now in another bowl, tiny bowl like my head, I poured some all-purpose flour in it, and then added some water. Mix it very well. That is what we are using to seal our spring roll. Okay, when folding the spring roll, you make sure you fold it very well, okay, so that it will not loose when you put it in the oil. Okay, yes, so that you can get that beautiful perfect spring roll. Just look at that. The folding was so perfect, easy and beautiful. So we are repeating it again so that we can continue. You're not going to repeat it plenty or many times, okay, because I know everyone who is watching me is very intelligent, and you've seen what I am trying to teach already. That is just by the way. So you fold it to the other side, then you fold the other side as well, then you just go ahead and wet the edges again, or the edge, and then that is all. I think we are taking it again, okay? So please take a critical look at it so that you will understand it. So you fold that side, you fold this side, and then you make sure you wet that side again, and then fold it. Perfect and beautiful. I just love it. You see, this is not going to lose. Now when we were doing that, I had my oil on fire. Okay, it is not hot. Okay, please take note, it is not hot, and it is not very, like, it's on a medium heat. Okay, yes, and I will just drop the spring roll in and then allow it to do its magic, and we are good to go. So now this is how it looks, and I will just go ahead and turn or flip, however you will see it. I'm very sure you understand what I'm saying. Yeah, so I'll go ahead and then turn it so that it will not burn. Now this is how it looks. It is ready, but we want it very brown, and just look at that. Perfect. Thank you so much for watching, and please do not forget to follow or subscribe for more videos, and also please follow me on all social media platforms at Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. So we meet again. I love you. Bye bye.